Leetcode daily challenge. It is an easy problem today. 1716 calculate money in Leetcode bank. For any given number n, say 20. How many weeks are there in 20 days? N divided by 7. 2 weeks. Then how many days left? This is the first week. This is second week. In this case, we have 2 weeks. The first week, it will be 28. And for this one, it will be 28 plus 7. And if there's a third week, it's gonna be 28 plus 7 times 2, and so on. Let's calculate the money for weeks first. It will be number of weeks times 28 plus 0 plus 7 plus 14, which is a sum times 7. Then for days, we can see for the pattern for days would be 2 plus 1, where 2 is the number of the week. Then 2 plus 2, 2 plus 3, and so on. So the first number here will be the number of the week. So it will be week times number of days. Then we also have the second part, which is the sum of 1, 2, and 3. Sum of 1, 2, 3 until 6 in this case.